So purely all we've done with this car is just done an ECU remap and a custom tune on it. The car stock standard made 137 kilowatts at all four wheels, and we finished up with 177 kilowatts at all four wheels. So we've gained approximately about 40 kilowatts in total at the wheels. As you can see here, the blue line is a stock standard curve, and the green is after the ECU remap. As you can see, the car's picked up significant power everywhere. We specialise in these Range Rovers, so if you're a Range Rover owner and you require service or performance tune or fuel economy tune, don't hesitate to drop us a call on 9642-2584. Whether you're in Sydney or anywhere in Australia, we can help you. I'm Ali, and I'll see you next time.